Guys, it's Dami, and I think I'm gonna have this one of the best AirPod Pro 2nd gens from DhGate. Even the unboxing experience of these were immaculate, the pull tabs came off easy like how original AirPod Pro packaging would be. First thing, we have designed by Apple in California paperwork. We open that up and we have all the instructions and manuals in there. Next thing that was in there was this silicone replaceable tips that I could change for which one fits perfectly in your ear. Then we have that nice braided USB-C cable. Pairing these AirPods was very easy and flawless. What I had to do was hold on the pairing button at the back, then to ask you to connect these AirPods to your iPhone, which you press on, and that's the whole pairing process. After pairing, you'll be presented with the battery percentage on the case and on the AirPods. And I forgot to mention, these do come with warranty from Apple themselves, which is just amazing. And over to the Apple's website, you can see it is covered, and this number legitly checks out. Next thing I checked was ANC and transparency, and all I can say is that they both work flawlessly like how they're supposed to be. ANC, you couldn't hear anything whatsoever, which I think would be perfect for those gym sessions. Next thing to point out is the stem controls on these AirPods. You can turn down the volume or turn them up, you can pause and play, and you can change over to the next song or the previous song. You can even call on Siri using the mic or holding down the stems on the AirPods, and you can ask Siri the weather or what's the time, and Siri will actually hear you clearly with these AirPods. So my review, I'm honestly that these have a good sound quality, 8.5 out of 10, and for the features like ANC and transparency, I'll give that a solid 10/10 because I was surprised on how good those actually work on these AirPods. And with all that being said, I hope you guys did like this video. Subscribe, ask me any questions you want to ask, and I'm going to catch you on the next one. Peace.